Challenge. Exchange 3D printed models for food. Our nursing home does not allow filming. The first 2 food swaps felt unchallenging. This time, I'm challenging myself to beg for food at a nursing home. The building at the entrance is quite distinctive. This time, I'll model this elder. Hello, sir. Hello, 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 hello. Our nursing home does not allow filming, you know. Okay. Sorry. Goodbye. Luckily, I still took some photos to model at home. This time, we're using the Creality K2C multicolor 3D printer. You can see the printing precision is quite good. The multicolor box also monitors filament humidity, and the noise reduction is excellent. These features are very beginner-friendly. Fans previously complained about glue and electrical issues. This time, it's all mortise and tenon joints. Not a drop of glue is used. Endless electrical problems. Can life give me a break this time? Hello, it's like this. I made a model. I want to trade this model for lunch here. Can you introduce me to your manager and discuss this matter? Okay, this way, please. Young man, listen to me. Young man, bro. I want to trade this model for lunch here. Okay, no problem. Hey, this won't go in. Auntie, I'll help you push. Auntie declined. Okay, thank you. Hello. Hello, sir, hello. Do you have an appointment? No, it's like this. I made a model for your place. Sorry, sir. Our community's sand table designs are done by professional institutes. We don't have such a need now. Oh, no, you misunderstood. I want to trade this model for lunch with you here. Is that okay? Sorry, sir. Our community's restaurant is only for elders. Your design is good, but it doesn't meet our procurement needs. Sorry. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Ouch, sorry. Hey, hello. Food and Beverage Service Department. Hello, Food Service Manager. Oh, great. Hello, it's like this. I made this for you to see. Wow, this isn't mine. Is it shuakatang? Oh, this is called sishuagwatang. You made this? Yes. How'd you make it? First, I modeled it, then 3D printed it, and then assembled it. No, it's like this. Manager Wong, I want to trade this for lunch with you here. What do you think? Is it okay? No problem. I can arrange for you to go now. I'll say hello to Mr. Chen. Oh, okay. Thank you. Much appreciated. Thank you so much. I want one of these. You want one of these? Oh my, get out of here. Okay, thank you. Can I have one of these, please? The rice is still hard. Bibimbap, guys. I'll upload the model to Chuangxiang Cloud's official library. Those interested can download it online, print it yourself and try it out.